Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing not reviewing, just trying on a wig that was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. This is the wig to the right. And they sent me a 20-inch highlighted curly wig. I'm going to put everything in the description box. So I'm taking the Erica J glueless gel and placing that on my hairline just to like get my hairs out of the way. I'm not going to be doing a cap because I don't do caps unless I plan on wearing the wig for a good amount of time. And I'm just going to wear it for a couple of days because honestly, I've been wearing a lot of braids. I honestly just took braids out before this video. So I'm not going to be wearing it that long. So this is a good method if you plan on just doing like one layer of glue. And of course, it not really touching your hairline. I get a lot of questions about glue taking out people's hairline, but I don't wear caps a lot and my edges are fine. I just use the proper technique and remover to take off of my wig, and that is the lace glue remover, and Erica J has the entire system. So this is the wig and I'm just placing it on my head to make sure it fits. I'm going to do a little dot here just to make sure I'm placing the glue in the right spot. And you see it's way past my hairline. And I'm just going to be doing one coat. This is the Boho Active Glue. And I'm going to do a coat around the front and on the sides. Now on the sides you will get a little glue on your hair, but like I said, you won't take out your hair if you just make sure you remove it the right way. Like, don't be really aggressive when you're taking off your wig. Just let the remover work and it's gonna like literally slip off. Unless you have like 4 or 5 coats, you may have to let it sit a little longer. See, I put a little bit on my hairline because you know your sideburns are lower than the rest of your hairline. So I'm taking the blow dryer on high and just blow drying this in until the glue turns clear. And I was so afraid of this wig, you guys, because I'm so used to doing wigs that have like black roots, and I haven't applied a wig in so long because I have been taking the self-care thing to the max. Like, I've literally been paying to get everything done, and I actually was supposed to take this wig and let my hairstylist do it, but I decided to just do it myself to save some money because I already know I wasn't going to keep it on that long, because I'm not a person that sleeps in my wigs. Like, I'll take them off and literally reapply the next day. I cannot sleep in a wig. So I just cut the ear tabs off, the little bit that I did have, because this wig actually fit my head perfectly. And I'm taking the hairspray and spraying my hairline as well, just for some extra security. And then I'm taking the Erica J elastic band to secure everything down and make sure everything doesn't move. The elastic band is going to be your best friend because that's how the hairstylists get that melted look. And I took that same hairspray and I'm taking the Kendra's Boutique hot comb. Really good hot comb. I literally bought one for my cousin for her birthday because she started back doing hair. So I would definitely get it if you can. And I'm taking the blow dryer on high heat and just making sure everything is blow dried fully. And I'm gonna be completely honest, y'all. I was so scared of this wig because I was just like, wow, like I've never really done a wig that had like, the roots weren't black, you know what I'm saying? So like I was like terrified. Like I was like, dang, should I have tinted the lace or should I have put makeup on the lace? But I ended up doing all of that off camera because I realized that it does need to be tinted or it does need makeup on it. I don't know why I didn't think to do it on camera or just before I applied it, but I think I know why. I actually, one time when I went and got my frontal done, the girl put makeup on it, and when I tell you guys, my hairline broke out so bad. So I think that's why I was kind of hesitant to put makeup on it, because I also know that the elastic band will help your lace melt as well. Like if you were to put some mousse or foam around your hairline and you let your elastic band sit there on top of it for a while, it'll help the lace like melt really well. If it's like really good lace. If it's really darker than your skin, then that's when you'll have to either get a lighter lace or go in with some lace tint. See, this lace was kind of manageable, like I could work with it. So I'm taking more mousse and putting that on the areas where I just parted, and I'm gonna put the elastic band back on it to make sure that my baby hairs are gonna be going in the right direction, which is towards my face. And the longer you let that elastic band stay on, is the better your wig is gonna adhere to your head, and it's gonna make your lace look very seamless. So I'm just parting out my baby hairs and taking the hot comb and like putting everything into place. I do recommend doing a really good plucking job on your hairline. I really didn't do it because, like I said, I wasn't really familiar with doing a colored wig. Like I always do jet black or 1B wigs. Like I've never really done my own like blonde wig or colored wig. So this was my first time. And I really was. I was like, oh my God, I'm about to do this.
Sunday morning waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning easy love with you. Okay, I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
Or I didn't use the proper flat iron, if you get what I mean. So, but I made it look good. Like, think about me.
Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets, yeah, holding you, holding Is it love?
I definitely wish I would. I definitely wish I would have, because I feel like it would have been even more slayed. But this is the end of the video, you guys. And this is how it looked after it dried. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.
We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I